All right, let's talk about some important vocabulary that goes along with data collection and distribution and just really looking at your data. We have median, mode, range, and mean. These are like the main things you have to know. The median is simply your middle number. You put the data in order from least to greatest. You find your middle number. We're going to use hashtag for number. The mode is your most popular number, the number that occurs the most. So that's the number that occurs most. It's popular. It keeps showing up. Which number occurs the most? I'm not talking about the number that's value is the largest, but the number that keeps popping up and occurring. The range is your high number minus your low number. And one way I remember that is think of a vocal range, high minus low, high minus low. I can tell you're laughing at me right now, but that's okay. The mean is your average, and that is add all your numbers and then divide by the total of numbers. We're going to talk about that. You add all the numbers and then divide. All right, let's say we have this simple set of data, and we look at it, we know, well, if I'm going to find the median, I have to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's go ahead and do that. We get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 3, and a 5. Now, we want to find our median. We're going to count. Sometimes I use my fingers and I go like that, and I see my middle number is right there. It's a 3. So my median is a 3. I'm going to write that down. The mode is the number that keeps popping up, occurs the most. And we're not talking about 5, even though that's the largest number. That's not the mode. The mode is 3 because we have 2 3s. Notice the median and mode are the same number. That can happen. The range is your high number minus your low number. So that will be 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 is our range. Now we're going to look for the mean. The mean says we have to add all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers, by the total of numbers. We have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5. That's 5 numbers. So we're going to add that up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3, 3, and 3 is 9. 9 and 5 is 14. So we have 14 divided by 5. We know 5 goes into 14 twice. You're at a 10. Subtract. You get a 4. Let's put our decimal point, bring down a 0, and we know 5 goes into 40 8 times. We just found our mean. Our mean is 2.8, so we're going to write 2.8. And that, folks, is how we find information about our data. Median, mode, range, and mean. Mean is probably the hardest of the 4 vocab words because you have to add all the numbers and divide by the total of numbers. But you all are well equipped to solve a problem like that. Have a great night. Bye.